this is a small video on unboxing Google Home Mini and setting it up and some few commands on it. Hi guys, this is Lakshman. So today I have got one Google Home Mini from JB Hifi. So it costed me around 49 Australian dollars. So let's just unbox it. So this is a small version or small sized version of Google Home, which has exact same feature as Google Home but is smaller in size, and the sound quality is little different than of the Google Home. So this is it. So it comes with a box package and some accessories with it, some instructions to get started, and cable to power it on. So let's keep these things aside. So this manual has some instructions on how to get started, what to do and what not to do. So they might be useful for you to get started, or if you need any help in setting it up. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the Google Home app from my phone. So I'm using iOS, so I'll be downloading from App Store. You can download it from your Play Store or App Store. So this is the app. So while the app is being downloaded, let's just power it up. So the cord is undetachable, means it can be disconnected with the power dock. Let me just connect it now. Okay, so you can see the lights are blinking, so it will give this kind of lightning when first connected to power, and then our kind of welcome sound. So you can see different colors being started there. So now the app has been downloaded. Let's open it up and continue setting up. So you need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have Google account, then just download it. I'm sorry for the low quality of this video, guys. So you need to set up a home first. It's pretty easy, everything is just written over there. So the first thing is you need to connect it to a Wi-Fi, to the same Wi-Fi that you want to connect your Google Home Mini to. Then create a home. You can give it any name, and then it will start searching for compatible devices around. So it might take a while, and sometimes it might not discover too. So it has found my device, and then I have tried connecting it. So let's see how it goes. So the sound was actually audible, and then just few steps, and then you get okay, so you can just set up some normal settings here, and then you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So after connecting, it will update your device and it's ready to use. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test some commands over Google Home Mini. Let's see. Hey Google, can you please turn off the light and say thank you for me?
I can only help you with the first request. Okay, turning off the table lamp.